you shoot photo or video, you know that lighting changes everything. That's why we created Teke. Teke is the reactive, animated, and wireless DMX lighting system made for creators. Teke brings DMX lighting technology used on big budget films, TV, and commercials to the palm of your hand at a fraction of the price. Okay, now imagine a powerful, wireless lighting system that's sleek, durable, weather resistant, and packed with animated effects, moods, and movie looks. Teke will take your creativity to the next level.
Teke's easy to use and the battery lasts the whole shoot.
Browse a library of animated and sound reactive effects triggered by your phone or DMX software. Instantly apply dynamic mood lighting, perfect for photography. Movie Looks features complementary foreground and background lighting palettes. Pixel Map allows you to develop color palettes and effects using photo and video pixel mapping. Or simply create a custom scene by addressing hue, brightness, and color temperature.
Teke gives me awesome lighting setups in just a few minutes.
Teke is bright, with up to 700 or 1400 lumens of flicker-free, 90+ CRI rated light. We designed a convenient, built-in, end-to-end mounting track for quick and easy setups. Teke's long-lasting rechargeable battery gives you power on the go for 4+ hours, or power it continuously with Teke's USB-C port. Now, for a limited time only, we're offering 50% off only on Kickstarter. Back us today and save thousands of dollars on DMX lighting technology. Buy a creator kit to get a Teke soft case and full accessories at no extra cost. Plus, we'll send you an awesome gift in time for Christmas. Back our Kickstarter today and bring the creative power of Teke to the world.